Oh, bro, we just spent all our money on these two beautiful trucks. Now what are we gonna do? We have no money. We need to get a job.
We need to do long care.
Yeah, lawn care, but we don't have lawnmowers. We also just bought this house, so let's do a tour. Let's do the inside first. Yo, it's very nice.
Ew.
Yeah.
Is this marble or granite?
I don't know. Oh, but
I
yeah,
think this.
let's just put on some lights in this place so that the robbers don't come. Yeah, I think.
Wait, we don't. If we put the lights on, then robbers can see what is inside.
Okay.
But we're
There's
just
nothing
putting the
inside,
lights
bro.
on.
Oh, yeah, there's a
Yeah.
bunch of stuff. But we didn't like put our valuables, like our gaming consoles and that. But let's see the outside now a bit. Let's go around like this.
Wait.
Yo, you know, two lawnmowers. Exactly what we needed. This is
Yeah.
like exactly what we needed. Let's go put them in the new trailer that we spent all our money on. Oh my gosh. I
Yeah.
can't believe we did that. But why did it actually work out perfectly? Like,
Mine don't. Mine don't. Mine don't.
okay, wait, let me just put this in. Now, we have extra. Oh no, we don't have extra money. Otherwise, we should have gone and bought us a leaf blower and a weed eater, but we don't have enough money
Wait.
for that.
Yesterday I saw
No, bro,
at
what did you do?
war.
Oh my gosh, I think we need to tow it up here.
I think I have a winch. The winch.
Yeah, I think you do have. Oh yeah, with the new truck you do have. Yeah, wait, it's coming out. I think it. Oh yeah, I have it out. But we have spare money. Wait, we have spare money. Just enough for us both to get the weed eater.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to
I
the.
think so.
Let's go to the place. Okay. See
Where's
you.
the
See you
lawnmower?
guys there. Okay, so but we need to get like advertising. Where can we advertise our lawn care business?
Our stuff.
Let's put it on social media. Well, you go get us some stuff for the lawn care. I'll put
Yeah.
it on social media. Oh no, let me climb out with you. Let me can see. Okay, let's go. Hello sir, nothing to see here. Okay, so yeah, need a leaf blower. Watch out, bro. And a weed eater.
Sorry.
Okay, yeah, they work. Hello sir, nothing to see here. Run. Okay, okay. Go. Okay, yeah, but I am on, bro. Go to that. Go to the new show that's there. Let's quickly do something. Wait, guys. We're quickly going back to the house, and we are quickly gonna do something there. Guys, we better get a big tip because this is very hard. Oh, you guys. And the seat is rusty. It makes my ass sore, guys. I can. The seat is so too rusty. And the pedal that we step on, it makes your feet sore because it likes mini spikes in it. But yeah, hopefully we can get faster done because this is taking long. We still after this we need to blow away the leaves. We need to weed eat, so we have a lot of stuff still to do. We'll see you guys when we need to weed eat. I was just mowing here. Now look what I saw there. I don't know if you guys can see it that good, but There's a Corvette literally right there. Let's go check that out. Let me just quickly do this done and let me go see that. This is taking too long. Let me go check. No way. It's actually a Corvette. I put this around. There is he, but he doesn't know about it. So. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so yeah, guys, I'll see you when we're almost done with the grass. Yeah. Guys, we're so close to done. We're so close. Why is my mower off? Oh yeah, I went to get a beer. Because I was so thirsty. Hey. And done. Finally, guys. Let's go pull this thing in, like, in there.
If you know, you know. But
Bro, why is there someone here? I think I hear a truck or something. Yeah, I hear someone pulling in. Is it the bro that is it this bro's house that's here? Wow, it's a nice truck. So I think it would be. Yeah, it's him. It's him. It's him. It's him.
yeah.
Wait, let me just quickly go borrow my lawnmower. Okay, he climbed out. Hello, you two. Thanks for doing my lawn. But, yeah, so here is your money of 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. Okay, but you said $100,000 tip, right?
No, you said 50. No,
Yeah, you said 50,000, not 100,000. This was just a test. This is just a test. Just because you were honest, I am giving you 100,000. Yeah. Thanks for doing my loan so good. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
No way, bro. He actually tipped us 100K.
But we're not thieves. We're not robbers. We are people.
Yeah. Okay, but yeah. Well, we can upgrade our stuff now. So yeah, let's go. Thank you guys for doing my loan. It's a pleasure, sir. Bye. Bye. Bro, with 110K, we can go upgrade our lawnmowers. Let's go to the upgrade shop. And we can upgrade our trailer. We can like put some more stuff. And we can upgrade our advertising. Yeah. Okay, see you guys at the customization shop. Guys, here's the customization shop. Let's go there. Oh, yeah, let's go to the customization shop. Yeah, we need to like make our lawnmowers very nice. Where are you going? There's the customization shop.
No, we're stopping by at Penny.
Oh. Okay, see you guys when it's customized. Mine is done customizing. His is also. So yeah. We now need to go to the store so to get better advertising. So yeah, see you guys at the store. Okay, we are here at the tool store for some appliances. We think this will be good. Maybe also this. Yo, did you get new clothes?
Yeah.
Nice, bro. Okay, I got these two. We should get some more stuff.
Yeah.
What is there more? But we should get better advertising. A big flag would like stick out. Big flag would stick out. Okay, yeah, big flag. Okay, let's put this big flag right there. I'm gonna get 2. But then we don't have like stuff that people can see. Wait, let me quickly drive. I have a place where people can like come to us and tell us where we should cut.
Wait, let me put this flag somewhere.
Okay. Yeah, bro. This place looks nice, but I think that we can get something that makes it look better. I saw something in the shop that like has to do with some lighting because it's very dark in there. This thing, yeah, it's this lighting up thing. So I'm just taking this and placing it here. Yeah, it will light this thing up. Okay, let's put it here where people can see under the table key. Yeah, that is gonna work. Okay, then we in functions, the toggle and lights up and lights. Okay, yo, that lights up the whole entire thing. Who is this that joined us? Oh, I think it's the new employee that we recruited. Yeah, I think he's also here. But I think he can also talk. Hello, can you talk?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, so basically this job is about cutting people's grass. So you also need to come get some grass appliances. Cutting appliances. Yeah, it is. Okay, so guys, I think we need to make a part 2 because this video is gonna be too long. So remember to like and subscribe. And part 2 will be soon. Bye.